When you're using PEX in a plumbing system, whether it's a commercial system or a residential system, the main reason you're probably using PEX is you found that it keeps the water inside the pipe where you want it. At some point though, you want the water to come out of the pipe, and that should be at the fixture. So today what I'm going to talk to you about are pipe terminations. Now Uponor offers different sizes for different terminations. We have 1-inch copper stub outs for commercial applications like flush banks. We have washer boxes, we have ice maker boxes, we have small copper stub outs for residential applications. My personal favorite is Pecs Out of the wall. For Pecs Out of the wall, all you do is take the PEX tubing and bring it through the wall using some sort of bend support or wall support bracket. Once the sheetrock is up, you can take an Uponor escutcheon, an Uponor ProPEX ring, cut the pipe back, and do a ProPEX expansion right inside the escutcheon. The escutcheons are shown here in this residential plumbing system. Once I've made that expansion, the valve fits right inside the escutcheon, and I don't put any stress on that escutcheon as well.